Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Goodnotes AI Pass. Do you want to unlock AI features in Goodnotes? The AI Pass gives you powerful tools for productivity, and here's how to upgrade it the right way just by following some few simple steps. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just going to go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you can download this from there by searching for the Goodnotes application. Just like this. You're gonna type in Goodnotes in the search bar. Once you find it, you're gonna open the apps page and click on install. Now, if you want to install the application on your PC, you can go to your web browser and open the Goodnotes application from there. You can open the web version, or you can download Goodnotes for Windows or for Mac just by simply clicking on the download button and see all the results. As you can see here, there are iOS, Mac, Windows, Android, and web. Now let's go back to our topic and teach you how to upgrade to Goodnotes AI Pass. Now, the Goodnotes free version doesn't offer a lot of AI features, and if you want all the AI features, you must pay for the premium plan. Now, to pay for the premium plan, you're gonna click on the gear icon. Once you get into Goodnotes, you're gonna click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then you're gonna click on your username here on the top, and here you're gonna see the section called Manage Accounts. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on your account, and click on Upgrade for unlimited notebooks, whiteboard, and more. Here you can see also the Goodnotes AI. You're gonna click on it also, and here you can see all the Goodnotes or the AI credits left for you to use in this month. As you can see here, you're gonna click on Upgrade. Once you click on Upgrade, you're gonna see all the plans here. You can see my screen just froze. This is the one. Once you click on Upgrade, you're gonna see two plans here. You're gonna see the free plan and the essential plan. The essential plan has the AI research and math assistance, 525 AI credits. So if you're using that one right here, you're gonna choose that one, and you're gonna have access to AI features. You're gonna pass the payments, etc., and finish the deal. Now the AI Pass enhances your productivity with smart tools. Upgrade if you want to work faster and smarter. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.